In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import/export Shopify products, step-by-step guide. We'll walk through getting your product files into Shopify's admin so they're ready to use with your product data. This is especially helpful when you're preparing a product import CSV or organizing images you'll reference across your store. First, open your Shopify admin. Make sure you're logged in with the correct store and have permission to manage content. From the main dashboard, we'll be working in the left-hand menu where all your store tools live. Next, select Content. This area houses your store's media and other assets. It's a great place to centralize items like product images, PDFs, and even CSVs you plan to use for product updates, so everything is accessible in one place. Now, choose Files. Files is your built-in media library. Anything you put here will have a Shopify-hosted URL you can safely reuse. That's important because stable, hosted links make product imports smoother and prevent broken images on your storefront. Click Upload Files. You can browse your computer and select the file or files you want to add. For best results, use clear, consistent file names, avoid spaces or special characters, and keep images optimized for web. If you're preparing for product import, you might upload images you plan to reference in your CSV later. If you see the Upload button again, click it to confirm and complete the upload. Some browsers show a secondary prompt, or you might be prompted to drag and drop. Either way, once the upload finishes, your file will appear in the files list almost immediately. Select the file you just uploaded to open its details page. You'll see information like the file name, size, and a preview if it's an image. This page is also where you'll find the direct URL. Think of this as the permanent link that Shopify provides so you can use the asset anywhere in your store. Highlight the file URL to copy it. This is the key step that ties into importing and exporting products. When you import products using a CSV, you can paste this URL into the appropriate image field so Shopify knows exactly which image to attach. It also works for descriptions, meta fields, or anywhere else you need a reliable media link. Pro tip: keep a simple spreadsheet or notes document with your file names and their URLs. Use unique, descriptive names to avoid confusion, and try not to replace files with the same name to prevent caching issues. That's it. You've uploaded your product asset